Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Threads. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in threads.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Threads website. You may also use the application if you have it on your smartphone. Now from the homepage, tap on the login button and you will now be asked to either enter your Instagram account credentials or continue with your Instagram account. If you're already logged into your Instagram, just type in your username, your phone number or your email address within the given box and then type in your account password. After entering both these credentials, you can tap on the login button and now this will log you in to your Threads account right away. You may also click on the Instagram option and now you can simply click on your Instagram account and this will now log you in to your Threads account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your Threads account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.